So this poem that I wrote in 2020 is about destigmatizing suicide and also addressing my suicide attempt. If you ever had an experience where your dream broke your heart, you might resonate with this. And I think in order for us to prevent suicide, we have to talk about it. This poem is called I Want to Talk About Suicide, a poem to the ones who keep the stigma alive. I want to talk about suicide. When you turn a blind eye to someone's mental illness story, you keep the stigma alive. You keep the symptom of depression alive. The symptom of untreated depression leads to suicide. Your discomfort of mental health perpetuates a cycle of silence within a society. You see it as not your problem until one day it may become your problem. You see, the system we live in makes people feel unsafe when they already feel unsafe within their minds and bodies. I want to talk about suicide because I am a survivor of being a victim of my mind. I want to address the mindset that keeps the stigma alive because you can't fix a problem if you refuse to look at it. Thank you.